Welcome to my channel, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to break it down for y'all how to use ChatGPT. This free AI can be your new best friend and the best tutor that you never had. So let's jump right into it, baby. Okay guys, here we are. This is the interface that you're looking at. It's going to have a couple of examples for you on questions that you can ask it, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party? How to make an HTTP request in JavaScript. So those are a couple things. You guys can read through all these. I'm not going to bore you with some of the stuff that you can read on your own. But first thing you're going to want to do to get to this page is you're going to want to go to this website, chat.openai.com, and then you're just going to want to sign up just like you would on any other platform using your email and creating a password. This is not a hard program to use. In fact, it's very easy. However, it can be a little tricky to get the answers you're looking for. So that's why I'm here to help you navigate and help you accomplish the task at hand or goal that you have in mind. So I want to talk about a few things that you would use this AI that could really benefit you. You can use it for just about anything, from coding your own crypto. That's actually one thing that me and my team are using it for right now. I'm not going to share my personal crypto code with you because that would kind of defeat the purpose of putting it out publicly. Then everyone could just copy what I'm doing. Anyhow, but you could also use it for helping you write an essay. Say you're a college kid out there or a high school kid, and your teacher asks you to write an essay on the Civil War. And you're like, you know what? I don't really know much about the Civil War. I've been bogged down with sports, and maybe you just don't have time to get around to that, but you're a good student and you're a smart kid. So you want to use this software to help you get through your classes. It'll still help you learn because you're still going to be reading what it's writing you. But it'll essentially write you a whole essay on the Civil War. Say you had a book assignment that you're supposed to write a report on. How to Kill a Mockingbird. I think we all had that one growing up. So this one will write a report for you as well. The possibilities are literally endless. So that's why I love this thing, and that's why I'm making this video. I want to share with you guys all the capabilities. So anyhow, let it start off by showing you, just we'll start off with a simple question. For this example, we'll use something everybody's kind of interested in. We'll make it simple here. We'll say how to, pardon my fat fingers, how to make money from home starting with only $500 in capital. We ask the question, then it'll start to generate a response for us. So obviously it's going to give us some options here. You can do online freelancing. So if you have a skill set on something, you can offer your services on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. You can sell products online. This has been a very popular topic since the pandemic, pretty much. Everyone's trying to sell products on Amazon or whether it be Shopify. And there it goes. It says something like Amazon, Etsy, eBay. You can either buy products wholesale and create your own products and start selling them. Virtual tutoring or teaching. So if you have something that you're very skilled in, let's say you're a good pianist and you want to teach people piano across the world in other countries, and your style of music is different from, per se, some of the community at hand, so you want to reach those people. So you could teach those people across the world that are interested in the style of piano that you're teaching. Drop shipping, this is kind of something I mentioned earlier, like something on Shopify. Affiliate marketing, this is a popular one too. You can promote products or services on your blog or social media. Ding ding, everybody's got a social media, so this can really apply to anyone and earn a commission from each sale. You can also join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSell, or Commission Junction. Remember that it takes time, effort, and patience to build successful businesses. You may not see immediate results, but with hard work and dedication, you can turn your 500 investment into a profitable business. Also, guys, just a disclaimer on this channel, nothing I say here is financial advice. Also, when you sign up to this website, it will give you a couple of disclaimers of its own. Some of the information may be biased, and you're never supposed to give it any of your own sensitive personal information. As the owners of, I believe Microsoft owns this, they can view all your conversations and use it for the AI learning to basically do better. But for an example, what we're going to do is we're going to take number 5. So this is why I want to show you this in depth. We can simply ask it, can you give me a more in-depth how about can you point me in the right direction to start making money today using answer number 5. So there it goes. It's gonna spit out everything. This thing's amazing. It'll just start writing very fast. So anyhow, this is basically what we're getting here. You choose a niche, decide a specific topic or niche that you're interested in, knowledgeable about. This will make it easier. Create a platform. You can create a blog or social media accounts to promote your affiliate products. Find affiliate programs. You can join affiliate programs that offer products related to your niche. Promote products. Start promoting the affiliate products on your platform. Build an audience. Engage your audience on your platform. So let's say your niche is, I don't know, losing weight, because that's a very popular thing for affiliate marketing. So let's say my niche is health and losing weight. Oh, I can't spell. Can you please suggest me a affiliate website to get started on? Can you help suggest me an affiliate program to get started on pertaining to number 3? Okay, so there you go. So this is kind of like what I want to show you guys is you want to ask it specifics. So when it's giving you an answer, you want to build upon one of the answers it's giving you. So boom, it tells us right here, Amazon Associates offers a wide range. ClickBank, this is one I personally am a part of. I haven't really pursued it too much, but I know this to be a good one. ShareSell isn't something I heard of, but it probably is pretty good. Commission Junction, Health Trader. Now we can go back here and then we can ask it specifically about, let's say, what's the fastest way to build up my social media audience pertaining to your prior answer in, what was it? Create a platform, build an audience. Yeah. So let's just say our audience is going to be on Instagram. Yeah, we're going to do the gram here because that's where all the youngsters are. But let's ask it about number 5 here. So let's say, can you please help me in how to grow an audience? Let's be specific. Can you help me to how to grow an audience on Instagram for my niche mentioned in the prior, let's just leave it right there, for my niche. Okay, so it's going to give you all kinds of ideas. Post high quality, engaging content, create visually appealing posts that would provide value to your audience. You can include healthy recipes, workout routines, weight loss tips, or inspirational quotes. Use high quality images and videos to make your posts stand out. Use relevant hashtags, engage with your audience, collaborate with others in your niche, host a challenge or giveaway. So you guys are starting to see the value of this AI. It's just gonna give you all the information you would ever need for pretty much anything you want to do in life, that you're kind of lost on or stuck on or don't know where to get guidance from. Say you have sort of an idea in your head, for perhaps a business in this case, and you're not just quite sure where the starting point is. Well, this is where you're going to want to come. This is going to basically tutor you, be your mentor, so to say. So we can kind of ask it to elaborate a little bit more on some of these things. Let's ask it to elaborate on, let's say, can you please elaborate on number one, simple. So boom, there it goes. This thing is simply amazing. Focus on high quality over quantity. Use high quality images and videos. Provide valuable information. Mix up your content. Don't post the same type of content every time. Be consistent. Analyze your data. So this is all great stuff. So let's ask it, can you help me use a tool that would optimize getting my followers up on Instagram? So this is pretty crazy. It's telling you now how to get your followers up as well. So there's all kinds of tools. I mean, I haven't heard of any of this stuff here. Hootsuite is a social media management tool that allows you to schedule posts, track analytics, and manage multiple Instagram accounts. You can use Hootsuite to schedule posts for optimal engagement times and track your follower growth. So there's a ton of stuff here. I'm not going to dive into everything. I think you guys are kind of starting to get the picture here. We can do another one as well, just for the hell of it. We can ask it, can you help me write a one-page, let's say, essay summarizing for the book How to Kill a Mockingbird. Let me just fix that typo there. And then here we go. And then it's literally going to write everything out for you. And what's really cool about this as well is after it does this all for you, what you can do is you can actually regenerate a new response. So it's never going to give you the same response twice. So if we regenerate it, it's going to answer it again, but it's going to word it differently. It's going to point out different things. So nothing will ever sound the same. There is another AI that you can use to basically change information so it's never copyrighted as well. I don't believe, don't quote me on it, but I don't believe if you took this right here and copied this and you use this to turn in as your high school report on how to kill a mockingbird, or middle school, I can't remember when they made you read it, but I don't believe this is going to be shown as plagiarism or copyright. No one would know. You might need to hand write it all out, but this is pretty incredible stuff. So that's going to pretty much conclude our video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Make sure to drop me a like and subscribe. It is much appreciated. Turn on the bell notifications. It's going to help me out a ton. I'm just a small guy over here trying to make it, here for the greater good and to help you guys out too. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Peace out.